Welcome to one of our Alfa Laval 360-degree service and maintenance videos. With Alfa Laval Service, you maximize the reliability and uptime of your equipment. The result is superior performance throughout the life cycle of your equipment, performance that puts you ahead of the competition. Here we will focus on how to conduct service and maintenance on the standard Alfa Laval SCPP-2 Circumferential Piston pump, using our service kit with genuine Alfa Laval spare parts. Remember, always read the instruction manual thoroughly to make sure you cover all maintenance steps. This video only shows you some of the steps. To maintain the Alfa Laval SCPP-2 Circumferential Piston pump, these tools are required. Each Alfa Laval service kit contains all the spare parts you need. How to assemble the SCPP-2 Circumferential Piston pump. First, slide the pump body over the shafts and studs, taking care not to damage the seals. Position the pump body against the corresponding pins of the gear case, pressing firmly. Fit the retaining screws of the pump body and tighten them according to the recommended torque value. Using a compatible lubricant, lightly lubricate the O-rings of the rotor hub and fit them into the groove of the rotors. Slide the rotors onto the shafts to align the shaft and rotor keyways. Fit the keys. Using a compatible lubricant, lightly lubricate the O-rings of the rotor nut and fit them onto the rotor nuts. Fit the Belleville washer into the rotor nut with the cone of the washer pointing towards the nut. The correct orientation of the washer is critical to maintaining the recommended torque value of the rotor nut. Using a compatible lubricant, lightly lubricate the retaining O-ring and fit it onto the rotor nut to keep the washer in place. The washer should not be fitted tightly against the O-ring. Apply a suitable food-grade anti-seize compound to the threads on both shafts. Thread the rotor nut assemblies onto the shafts. Insert a dowel made of plastic or other non-metallic material into the pump body to prevent the rotors from turning. Using a torque wrench, tighten the rotor nuts to the recommended torque value. Check that all clearances meet specifications as shown in the rotor clearance table in the instruction manual. Lightly lubricate the pump cover O-ring with a compatible lubricant and fit the O-ring into the groove of the pump cover. Apply a suitable food-grade anti-seize compound to the pump body studs. Now fit the pump cover onto the pump body, using the dowel pins as guides to align the cover properly. Fit the pump cover nuts and tighten them to the recommended torque value. Lubrication instructions for the Alfa Laval SCPP-2 Circumferential Piston Pump. Alfa Laval SCPP-2 Circumferential Piston Pumps are supplied from the factory already filled with lubricant. Changing the oil and grease for the gears and the bearings is recommended after every 750 hours of operation, as stated in the instruction manual. If moisture and/or condensation is heavy, then the oil and grease should be changed more frequently. If the temperature is below -15 degrees Celsius, then the bearings should be greased with silicone grease.